Welcome to Best 5 Smartwatch. Today we're counting down the top 5 best smartwatches of the year, packed with advanced health tracking, fitness features, and smart technology to make your life easier. From Amazfit to Apple, we've got the latest and most reliable models that you'll love. Stay tuned till the end to find out which one takes the number 1 spot. Let's start. First up, number 5, Amazfit GTR 3 Pro Smartwatch. Premium performance with style. The Amazfit GTR 3 Pro is a feature-packed smartwatch designed for those who want performance, health tracking, and style in one device. With a sleek 46mm design and stunning AMOLED display, it's perfect for both everyday wear and workouts. Enjoy up to 14 days of battery life on a single charge, keeping you powered through busy schedules without constant charging. Its built-in GPS ensures accurate tracking for outdoor activities, while Alexa integration makes managing tasks as simple as speaking to your wrist. Stay connected with Bluetooth calling and never miss an important notification. Whether you're tracking fitness with over 150 sports modes, monitoring your heart rate, or checking your sleep quality, the GTR 3 Pro provides deep insights into your health. Compatible with both Android and iPhone, this smartwatch balances function, durability. And next, Garmin Venu 3 GPS Smartwatch, Advanced Health Fitness Companion. The Garmin Venu 3 is more than just a smartwatch, it's a complete health and fitness partner built for everyday performance. Featuring a stylish 45mm design with a durable steel bezel, it combines elegance with rugged reliability. This refurbished bundle also includes a 2-year CPS enhanced protection pack, giving you peace of mind with extended coverage. Equipped with GPS tracking, the Venu 3 is perfect for outdoor activities like running, cycling, or hiking, providing accurate data to monitor your progress. Its advanced health features include heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress management, and body energy levels, helping you stay on top of your wellness goals. With smart notifications, you can stay connected without reaching for your phone, while the vibrant AMOLED display ensures crystal clear visuals indoors or outdoors. Next, number 3 is Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness Smartwatch. Smarter health, better lifestyle. The Fitbit Versa 4 is designed to keep your health, fitness, and lifestyle in perfect balance. This sleek smartwatch comes in a pink sand/copper rose finish, making it as stylish as it is powerful. With 40 exercise modes, built-in GPS, and 24/7 heart rate monitoring, it helps you track your workouts and monitor progress with precision. The daily readiness score gives you personalized insights, helping you know whether your body is ready for a challenging workout or needs recovery. It also supports sleep tracking, stress management, and active zone minutes, keeping your wellness on track around the clock. This bundle includes a cleaning cloth and charger, giving you everything you need for convenience and care. Stay connected with smart notifications, enjoy long battery life, and take control of your fitness journey. And number 2, Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Timeless design, modern smartwatch power. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm Renewed combines classic watch styling with advanced smartwatch features. Its rotating bezel offers effortless navigation through apps, workouts, and notifications, giving you a smooth and premium experience. Designed as a powerful fitness tracker, it features personalized heart rate zones, advanced sleep coaching. Whether you're tracking workouts, monitoring stress, or checking body composition, this smartwatch delivers accurate and useful data. The Bluetooth connectivity keeps you connected with calls, messages, and apps right from your wrist. Despite being renewed, it's fully tested for quality and performance, offering premium Samsung technology at a better value. With its bold 47mm black design, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic looks great on any wrist, whether at the gym, office, or a night out. And finally, number 1, Apple Watch Series 10. The future of smart fitness and style. The Apple Watch Series 10, GPS, 42mm, is the perfect combination of cutting-edge technology and elegant design. Featuring a rose gold aluminum case paired with a light blush sport band, it's stylish enough for any occasion while delivering powerful health and fitness tools. With its always-on Retina display, you can easily view workouts, notifications, and apps without raising your wrist. The built-in ECG app helps monitor your heart health, while advanced fitness tracking covers everything from running and cycling to yoga and swimming. Water-resistant and durable, it's designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. With GPS tracking, you can leave your phone behind and still map your workouts, track progress, and stay connected. Whether you're aiming for better fitness, managing health, the Apple Watch Series 10 sets a new standard in wearable technology. Powerful. Thanks for watching our list of the top 5 best smartwatches of 2025. All the product links are in the description below. Check them out for the best deals on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest product reviews. See you in the next video.